Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus LC 500 versus Nissan GT-R. We'll explore their distinct approaches to performance, starting with a look at their powerful engines and horsepower figures. Then, we'll examine how quickly each car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, revealing their raw speed capabilities. Finally, we'll touch upon their fundamental design philosophies, setting the stage for a deeper dive into what makes each vehicle unique. The Lexus LC 500, with its 471 horsepower V8, reaches a top speed of 168 miles per hour. It offers a refined, comfortable ride with excellent balance. The Nissan GT-R, boasting up to 600 horsepower in its Nismo variant, achieves a top speed of 205 miles per hour. Its advanced all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension provide incredible grip and track-focused handling, making it a true performance machine. Inside, the Lexus LC 500 offers a luxurious cabin with premium materials and comfortable front seats, though its rear seats are quite small. It provides about 4 cubic feet of trunk space. The Nissan GT-R features a driver-focused interior with quality materials and 4 seats, but the rear is also best for occasional use. It offers approximately 8 cubic feet of cargo space. The Lexus LC 500 starts around $101,700, offering a blend of luxury and performance for those seeking a grand touring experience. The Nissan GT-R begins at about $121,090, appealing to enthusiasts prioritizing raw speed and track capability. Each car excels in its niche, providing distinct driving pleasures. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.